So today we are opening a Barbie color change reveal doll. And it comes with 7 surprises. And the doll color changes in water. You might need a ground coat opening it. Put it open. So this is what the dolls is in. So down with the dolls. The dolls you can collect. So we'll just open up the blind bags first. It has this cute little heart brush. And we have this thing on it, so you can like put it in water and then strip it down her hair, because it's supposed to color change down her hair. And look at the other side for the directions. Since I already opened one of these dolls up, but now on my YouTube channel, I know what to do. Because the iron bags don't need water. We have these cute little blue shoes. I don't know what doll I'm gonna get. As I see, I'm probably getting this one. So we have to keep on opening up the blind bags. This cute little outer space dress. Speckled all over it. And her blue little earring. So now we're going to open up the doll. So all you have to do, you have to cut out the blind bag. And I need water. Okay, so here's the doll we got. So here's the doll. So you have to get a jug of water and then put her inside of it to see what she looks like. To put her arms up so she can fit. Make sure no hair gets in there. You have to mix it around. Yeah, she looks. You have to mix it around. The water. It's kind of revealing. And a little bit of blue. We still see some partiness black. And on her legs, a little bit of red sparkles. I opened the regular one, but I never opened the party one. And here's my little assistant. Say hi. 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 And we still have a little bit more. Now, remember, shake it up. Don't just put it in there like this. I'll hold it to keep it steady. I'll get the back. So if it's taking too long, you can wipe it off with your fingers. Make sure you get a paper towel to wipe it off on. So it's time to dry her off. So here how she looks with all her clothes on, but now it's time for her color changed hair. So let's put the brush under the water to see if it changes. And we'll see, we're trying to see some changes. So the doll, so she changed her hair to royal blue. And her lips turned to pink. I do a little bit extra on her lips. So glad this worked. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.